I'm Captain Starlight, and welcome to another Fun with Captain Starlight Unbox and Play. Today, we are building and playing with Lego. But before we begin, can you like and subscribe to our channel? Have you done it yet? Great work! Let's go! Lego! Today, we're building one of these cool mini sets from the 11021 90 Years of Play, a commemorative Lego classic set that celebrates 90 years of play. That includes 15 mini models of some of Lego's most iconic sets. And in this video, the mini model we're making is the 8043 Motorized Excavator, a nod to Technic from 2010. We are building the digger, and you know what? I dig it. We start with our base, and we add these to the bottom of the base, like so. And ooh, they don't have regular wheels. They've got the proper digger wheels. Can we dig it? Yes, we can. Ta-da! And then on the other side, like so, whoop, whoop. We're building the top of the digger now. So we add some yellow, an excellent color. Ooh, this is where it gets a little bit tricky because we've got to add that part of the digger, like so. There we go. Oh, final tricky bit goes right there so that we can add the scooper. This is the coolest part. We add this final piece in here, like that, and then check that out. Oh, you go like this, scoops it up, and then you can go whatever way you want to go. You can go backwards, you can go frontwards. Check it out. Go down, in, scoop it up, take it back, and put it at the back of the digger. If you dig this video, click the link down below so that you can see our other unbox and play videos. And be sure to hit that like button to like this video, and also the subscribe button to subscribe to our channel for more of these fun Lego videos.